Halloween pumpkin decorating doesn't have to be spooky. Today, we're gonna go galactic. I'm gonna show you how to create 3 different no-carb pumpkins that everyone in the family can get in on. We're going to make a galaxy, an earth, and a moon. And we're gonna be using some of my favorite Tulip products. I'm gonna use all 3 of these different products on my 3 pumpkins. We're gonna be using the glow-in-the-dark dimensional fabric paint, the chunky Dazzling glitter brush-on fabric paint, and the Tulip soft brush-on fabric paint. All right, are you ready? Let's start crafting. Just like that, we've got our very own outer space pumpkins. We've got our moon, our earth, and our galaxy. And guess what? When they're dry, they glow in the dark. Check it out. How fun are these glow-in-the-dark pumpkins? Keep them inside or outside, and when the lights go off or the sun goes down, you have your very own glow-in-the-dark solar system. To find all the Tulip products that I used in today's no-carb pumpkins, make sure to visit Tulip's website and follow them on social media for more great projects from other creators like me. And as always, make sure you check out craftboxgirls.com and you follow me at craftboxgirls for more great projects for the holidays and year-round with my favorite Tulip products. Happy Halloween, friends!